She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
What's good, YouTube? It's Princess Diamond, and I have another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing 4 different methods that you can use to grip hair when doing box braids or singles. And real quick, before we get into that, you guys make sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your bell notifications so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I'm going to start posting more videos, and here you'll just be able to find more helpful braiding tips and tutorials and things like that. So yeah. All right, so let's jump into it. 4 different ways to grip hair. The first method is going to be the rubber band method. So with this method, obviously you will be needing rubber bands. So you'll start with your part and you will wrap the rubber band around the part securely. You don't want to make it too tight, but just nice and secure. So once you've done that, you will take your extension braiding hair, and you're going to go ahead and place the braiding hair right on top of the rubber band. Now with this method, you want to make sure that you are covering the rubber band so that way you can't see, the rubber band. All right, so I'm going to show this method again here, just closer up and a little slow. So as you can see, I'm making sure that I'm completely covering the rubber band. And I'm making 3 strands by grabbing the natural hair and then wrapping the extension hair around and starting my braid. Now, with doing this method, you will have to add some of the extension hair to the natural braiding, section, so that way it's even as you're braiding along. So here's the braid with using the first method. Now, if you're really against using rubber bands, it's cool. This second method might work better for you, and this is kind of similar to the first one. This is also good for large box braids, when you have to grab a lot of the client's natural hair. So, method numero 2. Again, similar to the first one, except we're not using rubber bands. So for this method, you are going to start by splitting up your client's natural hair into 3 parts. So taking that section that you're going to braid and splitting up into 3 equal parts. Okay, so then you're going to braid that down just a little, maybe about an inch or 2. You don't need to braid it down much at all. The point of this method is to get all the hair in one place for an easier grip without the tension of using a rubber band. So you see I braided everything. So that braid is going to be one strand, and then I have my extension hair. I have my 2 other strands, so that makes 3 strands. So we're going to start it out the same way we started out with the first one, placing it over that that hair section and wrapping it around and then starting the braid. I did go ahead and take down some of that braid just because I'm not wanting a braid to show within a braid. I want it to look more natural. And again, same thing, you will have to take some of that expression hair and add it to the natural hair as you're braiding it down to make sure that each strand, all 3 strands are equal. And this is what it will look like. Okay, now getting into method number 3. Once you have your client's hair parted, you're going to take that and split it into 3 equal parts again. You're also going to want your extension hair into 3 parts. You're going to do that by breaking off about 1/3 of the extension hair, taking the little piece and wrapping it around the bigger piece. Now the 2 little pieces are going to go together. So now you have 1 strand with your other 2 strands. So once you have your 3 strands, you're going to twist it around and place your index finger in between 2 of your strands like that. And then to start your braid, you are going to grip the middle section of the natural hair first. And start the braid. Now, once you get the hang of doing this method and gripping the hair like this, you will not have to always split up the client's natural hair to start. You will be able to just go ahead and grip the hair into 3s without splitting it up first. So here is my braid using the 3rd method. Now jumping into method number 4. And with this 4th method, you are going to split the braiding hair the same way that we did the last method. With this method, when we're grabbing the client's hair, instead of grabbing it into 3 sections, we're actually going to grab the natural hair all in 1 section. When you're using this method, you will have to add that client's hair, that client's natural hair, some of it, to the braiding hair as you're braiding down, again, just to make sure that each part is equal, so you don't have those lumpy braids. And this is my braid with using the 4th method. So that's it, guys. That is the 4 methods that I have for you guys for how to grip hair when doing box braids. I'm pretty sure I can come up with more. I should probably do another video, but we'll see. You guys let me know what method was your favorite. What method are you already using, or what method do you think you will apply when doing your next set of braids? Let me know if you liked the video, if it was informative, if it was helpful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And again, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.